Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So I have the Nothing phone, and in this video I will be telling you guys about a new option with which you can make your Nothing phone super fast, and so fast that it will be the fastest phone among all Android phones. There will be zero lags in opening apps and doing multitasking. If I just open Instagram, you will be also seeing the app will be opening with less than microseconds, I guess. And this is working so well. Even apps like Google will be opened instantly. You can see there is zero lag and it is working so well. It has made my Nothing phone so fast that I have not seen this type of thing in any Android device. So how can you make your Nothing phone super fast? This is the video all about. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. First of all, the Nothing phone 1 has got the official Nothing OS 3 update, and if you have not received the update, I will recommend you to directly go to settings and check for the updates in there. If I go to system and if I go to about phone, we'll see it is running on Nothing OS 3, and you can also note the build number. After you have updated the phone to the latest Nothing OS 3, you will only get this option. So make sure you are updating your phone to the latest Nothing OS 3, and after you have updated it, you need to go to settings, and there are some new options which has been added. So definitely in the settings you will get the accessibility, and if I scroll down you will get the color and motion option. The new option which has been added to make your phone super fast is the remove animation option. Just need to enable this. After that you will get the biggest change on your Nothing phone, and your phone will become buttery smooth, so smooth that you will be also amazed how fast the phone is now compared to the previous versions of the phone. You can see the phone has become super fast, and also your apps and everything are opening really well, and obviously there are no animations, no lag, and even the quick settings and other things are opening faster and faster without any lag in this phone. Definitely you should try these settings on the Nothing phones which has got the latest Nothing OS 3, including the Nothing phone 2A, Nothing phone 2, and definitely the latest Nothing CMF phones. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.